11 steps to develop business concept well. Developing a strong business concept is a critical step in starting a successful business. It involves identifying a need in the market and creating a solution that meets that need. Here are 11 steps to help you develop a well-rounded business concept. 1. Identify your target market. Before you can create a product or service that meets a need, you need to identify who your target market is. Who are the people that will benefit most from what you have to offer? What are their needs, wants, and pain points? 2. Conduct market research. Once you have identified your target market, you need to conduct market research to validate your assumptions. This will help you understand the size of the market, the competition, and the potential demand for your product or service. 3. Define your unique value proposition. Your unique value proposition is what sets you apart from your competitors. It's the reason why customers will choose your product or service over others. Define what makes your product or service unique and why it's valuable to your target market. 4. Create a business plan. A business plan is a roadmap for your business. It outlines your goals, strategies, and tactics for achieving success. It also includes financial projections and a marketing plan. 5. Determine your business model. Your business model is how you will make money. It's important to choose a model that aligns with your unique value proposition and target market. Common business models include subscription-based, freemium, and pay-per-use. 6. Develop a prototype. A prototype is a working model of your product or service. It allows you to test your concept and make improvements before launching to the market. 7. Test your prototype. Once you have a prototype, it's important to test it with your target market. This will help you identify any issues or areas for improvement before launching. 8. Refine your concept. Based on feedback from your target market, refine your concept to make it even better. This may involve making changes to your product or service, pricing, or marketing strategy. 9. Develop a brand identity. Your brand identity is how you will communicate your unique value proposition to your target market. It includes your logo, colors, messaging, and tone of voice. 10. Create a marketing plan. A marketing plan outlines how you will promote your product or service to your target market. It includes tactics such as social media marketing, content marketing, and advertising. 11. Launch your business. Once you have refined your concept, developed a brand identity, and created a marketing plan, it's time to launch your business. This involves creating a website, setting up social media accounts, and promoting your product or service to your target market. In conclusion, developing a strong business concept is a critical step in starting a successful business. By following these 11 steps, you can create a well-rounded concept that meets the needs of your target market and sets you apart from your competitors. Don't forget to like and share. If you have any feedbacks or questions, please write in the comment.